In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add the TubeBuddy extension to Chrome. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So, as you may already know, TubeBuddy is one of the best tools you can have if you do upload to YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install it on Chrome. So first of all, what you'll need to do is head over to TubeBuddy.com, and then once you head over to that, you'll be on this page here, which is the homepage of TubeBuddy. And as you can see on the left hand side here, there is an option for install free now. Now this is a free extension and it's really useful, like I did say before. So all you need to do is simply click on install free now. What that will do is it will bring you to this page, and as you can see, I'm in a private window because I have already got this installed on my Google Chrome. So for you, what it will say is install right here. So all you need to do is simply click on install. Once you've done that, it will show up in your extension. So if you click on that, as you can see, TubeBuddy is right here. And then once you have added it to Chrome and you have signed in and everything like that, you will get this little toolbar here. And as you can see, TubeBuddy has a lot of options here on the right hand side. So that's how you can go ahead and install TubeBuddy on Chrome.